Hey lawyers, today I'm sharing an AI generated video script for personal injury video where you're speaking to a client who has been in a car accident, but the script was made by artificial intelligence. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Mary Cary here again, your legal marketing specialist, website developer, video production expert. I'm going to dissect an AI-generated video script today based on real data and experience that I have writing hundreds of law firm videos and analyzing the data to see what makes the videos actually perform and get you clients. It just sounds like a shortcut that actually isn't going to work on the face of it, but it actually isn't really that bad. And maybe that's because I fed it the right stuff to say, but maybe not. I just think it was actually pretty good, but needed a little bit of tweaking. Okay, so let's jump in. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. It's really easy to get caught in the creativity of video. We want video scripts to lead to actual real cases. We've done thousands of videos for lawyers and looked carefully at our data over all these years. Moving even one idea in the script to the wrong place can take a video from success to failure. In other words, from getting real clients to getting no clients and wasting all of your time and money. Today I'm looking at the AI-generated script in terms of its ordering of ideas, bar rules for marketing and advertising, and potential for introducing you to real clients.
My name is Mary Cary, and I'm a personal injury lawyer. If you've been in a car accident, you may be feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to do next. You may be dealing with physical injuries, lost wages, and expensive medical bills, and you might be wondering how you'll be able to pay for everything. That's where I can help.
I love the empathy and how short the introduction to you actually is. When I write the scripts, I write them the same way, but I put the empathy first and then introduce you next. Let's look at what the AI-generated video script would say next.
As a personal injury lawyer, I have the experience and knowledge to help you get the compensation you deserve. I will work tirelessly to make sure that you receive the maximum settlement possible for your injuries and damages.
Okay, this is really generic. In my case, I'd watch for the Bar Association rules. First of all, I'm not sure you can really say all that. But also, I would probably want to say something way more detailed that somebody didn't already know. I've learned so much filming real lawyers talking about stuff, and I can dig out of you stuff that any regular person would never know what they were up against. So that little portion should be something really meaty that they just wouldn't understand, rather than something kind of generic that sounds, just like every other lawyer. Let's look at the last part of this AI-generated script.
If you've been in an accident, don't wait to get the legal help you need. Contact me today for a free consultation and let's discuss your options. Together, we can get you the financial and legal support you need to move forward. Thank you for considering me as your personal injury lawyer. I look forward to helping you get the justice you deserve.
Okay, so here they say don't wait. In our video, I like to explain why they shouldn't wait, why evidence grows cold. If it's been a trucking accident, there's an army of adjusters and people trying to minimize everything. So you might want to tell them why not to wait. Also, some of that language might not be okay with the Bar Association. You don't want to, it sounds a little bit like the AI-generated video is promising an outcome. So you don't want to do that. I always use words like, we may be able to help you, or you just be more creative in that part of it. Also, at the end of the video where they say thank you, I really thought that was pretty endearing. All in all, there could be better content, but the ordering of the ideas was pretty decent. I hope this information is inspiring and maybe even helpful to you. Stay engaged with me by reaching out anytime. I am not artificial intelligence. I'm a real person. And my email address is mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. Here's to your success. Having some inspiration? Let's take your project from a dream to reality. Email me right now. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.